In this video, I will show you how to connect Calendly and WhatsApp to N8N. To start, open N8N and open the workflow where you want to use Calendly. Click the plus button and in the search section type Calendly, then select it. At the moment you can only use it for triggers, so if you want to use it for an action you need to request that feature. Right now the available triggers are event created or event cancelled. In this example I will use event created as the trigger. To continue, you need to go to Credentials to connect with and select a credential. Then create a new credential. Calendly used to support API key or access token, but it now shows that API key authentication will be discontinued. So I will show you how to connect with OAuth 2 instead. Open Calendly in your browser. In the left menu go to Integrations and Apps. Search for API and select API and webhooks, then select OAuth. For this step you will need a developer account. Click Login or Sign Up. This is free to do. You can sign up with Google, GitHub, or with an email and password. Once you sign up you will receive a verification email. Open it and click Verify Email. After that you will be taken to your developer dashboard. Here click Create New App. For the app name you can simply call it N8N. For the kind of app choose Web. For the environment type it depends on what you are using it for. If you are not sure you can ask N8N support for setup instructions. In this example I will set it to Sandbox. Now for the URL you need to open your N8N instance and copy the URL from there. Paste that URL into the field in Calendly and click Save and Continue. After that you will receive a client ID which you can copy and paste into the client ID field in N8N. You will also see a client secret. Copy that as well and paste it into the client secret field in N8N. Then click Connect My Account. You will be asked to connect to Calendly. Confirm the connection. You will see that the connection is successful and the window will close. Now your Calendly account is connected with your N8N account. From here you can choose whether you want to set the integration for a user or an organization and which events you want to use it with. You can then add more nodes to your workflow so that when the Calendly trigger runs, such as when an event is created, you can decide what action should follow. Next we will set up WhatsApp. Add another node to the workflow and search for Twilio. Twilio is the service that lets you send WhatsApp messages through N8N. Choose the Twilio node and in the operation drop-down choose Send WhatsApp. Now we need to connect Twilio to N8N. Click on Credentials and create new credentials. Twilio requires two pieces of information, your account SID and your auth token. Keep this window open because you will need to paste the values here. Now you need to get your Twilio credentials. Go to your Twilio console in your browser and log in. On the main dashboard you will see two important pieces of information. The first one is your account SID. It usually starts with the letters AC followed by a long string of numbers and letters. The second one is your auth token. This is your secret key. You might have to click the little eye icon to reveal it. Copy both of these values and keep them somewhere safe for the next step. Go back to N8N and paste the account SID into the first field and the auth token into the second field. Give the credential a name that makes sense for you and click Save. That is the full process of connecting Calendly and WhatsApp to N8N.